Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arts and Woods. Another sofa set. Another because it's been more than 530 videos we have posted on YouTube, and I've shown you at least 70 to 80 different designs of sofa sets, unique, different colors, different fabrics, and different designs. The kind of versatility, the kind of designs Arson is making and sending across the globe is happening just because people are trusting us, because you are trusting us and you're giving us orders, and from everywhere, not just India, from outside India, from most of the locations that are also quite remote. And this one is going to Anantapur district, Andhra Pradesh, and this is a 3-1-1 with a two-seater settee, a 4 by 2 feet table, and two side tables 20 inches square. The top is 20 inches square. Height of the table is 18 inches, and we'll go one by one. Let's the three-seater. Three-seater out and out is 6.5 feet, 78 inches. The back height is 48 inches, and front to back this covers 28 inches of area, a little less than 2.5 feet. That's the standard size for a three-seater. Then we have a single chair that is 3 feet out, again 28 and 4 feet back height. It's in dual shade, a dark walnut color and antique gold to give it the desired look as the client wanted. This complete set is customized as per the client's requirement. He picked up a picture from somewhere, sent it to us, and we created the entire unit according to that picture. The fabric is sent by the client himself. He wanted some particular color, so he sent it himself and we used that fabric. Colors, number of seats, fabric is as per your choice. We don't push anything from our side. What really happens is if you go to a store and you are looking for something, a sofa set, there are standard patterns like a 2-seater or a 5-seater or a 10-seater, whatever the standard pattern is, and they can offer the same to you. At Arson, we don't push anything from our side. You want a single table, we'll provide that. You want an entire set, we'll provide that. You want different color, we can do that. You want different fabric, your choice. So that's not an issue. Anyways you want, we are more than open for the customization, whichever is possible, because some things may or may not be possible. So if something is possible, definitely we can try and do that for you. The design in itself is a little different from what we are making. We usually have a wing design or a straight back. This has got slight wings on the side, very slight wings, but this is the design the client wanted. That's why we created the same. Teak wood and dual shade, and a nice looking set. The fabric is also looking very beautiful as per the client's choice. And that's again the choice part. Whichever you like, we are happy to do that. If you talk about the entire set, it has got the best part is an open back settee, because this side, generally, if you have a TV on that side or a French window or a garden, the view gets open. And settee is a double side unit. So same from this side and exactly same from both the sides. So you can put it any ways you like, and it's a nice concept also. If you go for a lengthier settee, it can work as a day bed also, but this is a good size, a 2-seater size. The table has a hard top, so you can keep a glass, a marble, a granite, onyx, anything you like on top of it, and it's ready to serve. Just like this, you can use it. You can put a couple of table mats, and it can be used as is as well. If you browse through our category, if you go on our website, arsonwoods.com, and there is a section for sofa sets itself, you will find hundreds of actual designs there. We don't show you more catalog pictures or software generated pictures. We show you actual stuff that we can touch, we can move around, we can show you from all the side, all the angles, because we are making this. A lot of people come to us and they generally take quotes from several places, and they finally come to us and say your prices are higher. I like to explain about this also. See, Quoting, giving a quote is very easy. If you ask me to go give a quote for a aeroplane, I can give that. That's not a difficult thing. But do I really make that, or do I really know what I'm quoting for? How can we confirm that? If I have made something similar, what I have done earlier, that's the question. We have a lot of stuff to show you in actual to show what we are doing, what we have done. Now, what I want to talk about here is when we have such a huge range and when you get to see so many designs, obviously you'll get a little confused what to go for and what not to go for. In our website, there is a section called testimonials. You can visit there and hundreds of pictures are there from different places, different clients set up. That would give you a good idea. If something matches your interiors from there, you can compare how it would look in your place. So this can give you a better idea. Fabrics are your choice, color is your choice. We can make it as per your requirement. For the prices, you can contact us. We'll get your requirement and give you the prices. Handwork, art of our city, art of arts and artisans, and the work is in front of you. Hope you like it. Request a few comments of yours. Thank you.